Picture, if you will, a secret code, a revered blueprint that lies beneath the fabric of all existence. These are not regulations crafted by humans, constrained by the confines of time and location. Instead, they are cosmic laws, unbound by time and universally relevant. These laws don't wield dominion over your actions through the ghost of retribution. Rather, they steer your life towards heightened wisdom and contentment. These forces have shaped your history, and they will continue to mold your destiny. Yet of paramount importance, and they can also illuminate your current path. As we embark upon an exploration of these timeless principles, may you not only amass knowledge but also garner insight, more than just information. Enter the law of divine oneness. This doctrine signifies the interconnectedness of us all, a realization that we are all integral facets of an infinite, divine energy far grander than our individual selves. It imparts that every action, every notion, every utterance we articulate does not dwell solely within the boundaries of our personal sphere. Rather, it reverberates across the cosmos, influencing the entirety. It encompasses the perception that your life, my life, and in all lives are intertwined and reliant upon one another. Embracing the law of divine oneness means acknowledging that isolation is an illusion. We traverse this voyage collectively. We are not meager droplets in the vast ocean. Rather, we are the ocean encapsulated within a solitary droplet. If all we perceive emanates from the same divine wellspring, then love, benevolence, and empathy become the logical outcomes of all interactions. It pertains to treating others with the same reverence and empathy you wish for yourself. Recognize that inflicting harm upon another is akin to injuring oneself. This principle epitomizes the golden rule: extend to others the treatment you desire. So, how can we integrate this concept into our day-to-day lives? Commence by perceiving the divine essence within every individual you encounter. Approach each interaction as an occasion to manifest benevolence and comprehension. When you communicate, let your words mirror your comprehension of this intrinsic unity. When you listen, do so with the compassion that stems from acknowledging our shared heritage as branches of the same tree. The law of vibration. This principle posits that within our universe, from the mightiest galaxies to the smallest particles, and everything else including your sentiments and thoughts, functions at distinct frequencies or vibrations. Nothing remains static. All is in perpetual motion, incessantly resonating and oscillating at varying frequencies. Should I seek greater financial abundance, it becomes imperative to decipher the resonance or essence of prosperity and try to synchronize with that frequency. Should I aspire to bask in love, I must align with the love frequency in the strongest of frequencies. Should a particular individual be the focus of my desires, a harmonious resonance between both parties is needed. To wield this principle for the manifestation of one's wishes, the key lies in harmonizing one's own vibration with the desired object. Yearn to walk amidst the constellations? First is cultivate the sense of being a star. Embracing this precept reshapes our perception of self and our role in the vast fabric of existence. We are not just mortal entities navigating life's complex network. We are energetic entities, oscillating at specific frequencies, and these vibrations sculpt our encounters, our interchanges, and our reality. Consider your thoughts and emotions. When joy and positivity permeate, there's an airy buoyancy, an almost elevated vibration. Conversely, sorrow or negativity brings a sense of weight, a lowering of vibrational frequency. Enter the law of correspondence. This doctrine stipulates that the internal mirrors the external. It means that your inner musings and sentiments wield direct influence over your external reality. As within, so without. It proclaims, when self-assuredness reigns, the world appears splendid. Amid inner turmoil, the external mirrors chaos. Inner tranquility creates an outer calm. Yet, inner turmoil ushers stress into life's canvas. You confront a formidable truth. You are the maker of your reality. The capacity to mold the external sphere rests within, contingent on reshaping the internal. Your thoughts, convictions, and demeanor weave a vivid matrix of your life's narrative. Those thoughts take root, birthing your lived reality. To metamorphose your world, inner transformation must proceed, the external realm subsequently shifting to reflect it. The law of attraction. This principle states that like attracts like. Whatever commands your focus, be it constructive or adverse, draws near in your life. This is no mere philosophy. Ancient civilizations, quantum physicists, and triumphant individuals worldwide concur on this principle. The law of attraction shares a close kinship with the law of vibration. You don't magnetize what you desire, you draw in your essence. The law of attraction further contends that faith in the feasibility of your desires is indispensable. Anticipating attraction without belief in its feasibility is a futile endeavor. To wish for vitality, nurturing oneself becomes paramount. Care like your life depends upon it. Aspiring for affluence? Display generosity, and abundance shall circle back. Craving love? Commence with self-love, extending it to others. The law of inspired action. This states that despite your visualization, affirmation, and alignment of thoughts with your desires, nothing happens until action is taken. Yet, this isn't mere action, it's inspired action. Such action emanates from alignment with desires, intuition, and inner counsel. This law propels dreams into reality. While the law of attraction aligns thoughts and emotions with desires, the law of inspired action requires forward motion. It's the conduit linking the realm of thoughts with the realm of tangibility. To attain aspirations, engagement is necessary. However, inspired action isn't coerced. It doesn't spring from desperation or fear. Instead, it's a joyful, eager progression toward desires. It flows effortlessly, harmonizing seamlessly with one's essence. It's that surge of enthusiasm for your vision, urging action not from obligation, but from desire. The law of transmutation of energy. This doctrine suggests that every element, thoughts, emotions, utterances, is an embodiment of energy. Energy isn't birthed or annihilated. It metamorphoses from one form to another. When you conceive or sense something, its impact transcends, shaping the cosmos. This is the fountainhead of the saying, thoughts become things. Comprehend that your thoughts and emotions birth and attract outcomes. Hence, it's best to choose thoughts and sentiments deliberately. Avoid lingering on negativity. It may well materialize adversity. Swiftly redirect your thoughts. When negativity creeps in, promptly swap it with positivity before negativity materializes. The law of cause and effect. This law asserts that your output mirrors your input. Your actions toward others and the world are echoed back to you. It embodies the concept of karma. Every life event has a rationale. Events transpire either in your favor or as a consequence of your deeds. Good deeds enrich you. Transgressions affect you. Each action prompts an equal and opposing reaction. Grasping this law confers the insight that if you wish to reshape outcomes, you must revise the instigating actions. You reap what you sow. Apples don't yield mangoes, just like sowing hate won't yield love. The universe reciprocates your offerings and your deeds become your receipt. Love given generates love received. Generosity leads to prosperity. Deeds and words don't fade. They boomerang in either rewarding or wounding ways. Perhaps not immediately, but inevitably. The law of compensation. This law intertwines with the laws of vibration, attraction, cause and effect, and energy transmutation. It proclaims that your recompense is in proportion to the value you impart to others in the world. It encapsulates the dictum, as you give, so shall you receive. The worth you contribute finds its way back to you. This law spans beyond mere material gains. It extends to love, benevolence, delight, and serenity. Dispense love, and you encounter love. Share joy, and you encounter joy. The law of relativity. This principle contends that innate good or bad is absent. Your interpretation assigns meaning. The crux lies in the significance you assign. This law encourages a broader viewpoint, distancing yourself from individual encounters. What you perceive as big or serious issues might be completely dwarfed in comparison to another person's struggles. Conversely, your small victories might be another's aspirations. The law of relativity underscores that labeling isn't obligatory. You needn't categorize occurrences as good or bad. Instead, they result from a cause. You hold the power to assign meaning to every facet of your life. Each life occurrence is intrinsically neutral, only attaining positivity or negativity through your labeling. The law of polarity. This law stipulates that duality pervades all aspects of existence and everything possesses an opposing counterpart. Life marks its commencement and finale. Spiritual and physical realms coexist. North and south poles stand as pairs. Divine feminine and masculine energies harmonize. Twin flames, though seemingly disparate, are in truth a singular essence. Hot and cold manifest as temperature gradients. Good and bad are facets of morality's spectrum. Amid life's hardships, latent light persists. Within struggle, seeds of opportunity sprout. Even the deepest sorrow carries the potential for joy. The law of rhythm. The universe adheres to a natural cadence, resisting disruption. It proclaims that universal elements moves in cycles, similar to a pendulum's sway or seasons transitioning. Just as tides ebb and flow, day merges into night, and winter yields to spring. Life mirrors this rhythmic dance. This law underscores that your life succumbs to these natural rhythms. Activity and repose alternate. Growth interlaces with retreat. Elation waltzes with sorrow. Cultivating patience and aligning with these rhythms prevents the upheaval that arises from attempting to rush events. Lastly, the law of gender. This principle transcends gender, focusing instead on the coalescence of masculine and feminine energies within individuals and the cosmos. It's imperative, regardless of gender, to grasp the interplay of these energies. Neither energy reigns supreme. They harmonize, crafting a dynamic equilibrium. Embracing this law illuminates the essence of balance. Fulfillment hinges on merging both energies within, creating holistic individuals. These age-old principles have been intuitively understood and embraced by the wise across generations. Defying these laws isn't a form of punishment, but it can render life challenging. It's akin to struggling against the universe's current, fostering an antagonistic relationship with the natural order. Acquiring knowledge of these laws can facilitate your comprehension of maneuvering through life's challenges with greater ease, enabling you to stride forward and embrace what rightfully belongs to you, all in a state of tranquility.